Bismillah, assalamu alaikum everybody, my name is Yasser Taj and I'm really excited today. I've got my new Kangen water machine, my SD501 Platinum. I've just joined Shabir Ditta and the Kangen water team in West Yorkshire, and today we're going to do an opening of the machine from the box, so here we go. There we go. Right, got some paperwork there. Got my warranty and lots of details about the machine. And inside is the machine. Let's see if I can get this out. Ooh, here we go. Wow, look at that. So with the machine comes some paperwork. So what is in the paperwork? Let's have a quick look. We've got a receipt there, and we've got the all-important Enagic consumer warranty. These machines come with a 5-year warranty. Brilliant. And there's a manual, nice colour brochure explaining how the machine works. Basics of the machine. Wow, look at that. And all about the different waters that this machine can produce. Also, if you refer on other people, you can give your bank details and you get a small commission every time you sell a machine. And the all-important pH colour chart, so that way you know what kind of waters your machine is producing. Wow. Now we're going to open the box. So here we go, bismillah. Right, what's inside the box? Okay, we've got a quick start guide. We've got an instruction manual on a CD-ROM. We've got various fittings to fit it to the faucet. We've got a little pipe there, which is for the acidic water. Another connector for the tap, goes with that. We've got a cleaning cartridge and some citric acid cleaning sachets. That's for doing your regular cleaning of the machine at home. Inside also there's an electrolysis enhancer that helps you to produce the 2.5 water. We've got some pH drops. This is quite good, then you can do the check the water pH. And a little funnel and some pH strips as well, so you can check the water using the pH strips. Okay, so now we're going to take the machine out of the box. Wow, bismillah. Ooh, and here we are. The Enagic SD501 Platinum. Here it is, guys. That's a beauty, isn't it? This part here is going to fix to the tap, so that's going to go into there. But obviously we need to connect the pipe first. So I've put that part on and I'm going to stick this into here, like that, and then screw it on. And this pipe is clearly labelled water supply. So this part is the part that goes to the tap. Okay, so that's going to go onto there. Okay, these were the adapter accessories that came with the machine. This one here is going to fit in where I took off the faucet part of the tap. And I'm going to need this one as well, which is going to connect to that. And in between those, we're going to have the connector and tap. So, first thing I need to do is to take this part off, like that. This is then going to go into here. Now this part that came off here is going to go first, and then this came out of the box, and that's going to make sure you put a washer in there, very important, otherwise it may leak. So that's on there nice and tight, and now this final bit is going to go onto here. So again, there's a nice big washer there to stop any leaks. And I'm just going to screw that on. There we are, and the pipe runs along the sink, so it looks quite nice and tidy. Next thing is this leaf pipe with a suction cup on the back, and there's an extra suction cup which I've already slid down the pipe. These pipes come with a stopper, by the way. Make sure the stopper, you've taken that out, otherwise the water's not going to get through. And this simply connects onto there, and this is, as it's labelled, the strong acidic water. So this is going to go into there, so I'll just have a go at doing that now. Just push it right in, and that's going to now connect to the inside of the sink, and that can go there as well. Now this is where the acidic water is going to come out. Now that the machine's fully connected, now I can show you what this is. This is electrolysis solution, and you'll need this to get the pH 2.5 strong acidic water. This is how it works. First you pull off this section of the machine, and this reveals a chamber, and there is instructions here on how to remove it. So it's in the lock position at the moment.
I can speed up.
Okay.
Yeah.
And there is a line here. Make sure you don't go over the line. So I probably could have got all that in there, or we can save some for another day. Take away the funnel, put the stopper back on, slide it back in, and lock it in place. It says there, lock to the left. And now it's locked in place. We can put the cover back on. Now somebody asked me the other day, he said, how do you know if it's nearly empty? Well, the machine does tell you, but also you probably noticed this little float. It will come down as the level decreases, and eventually you'll see it in this window here. So you will actually get an idea as it's emptying, so you know to fill it up. Okay. Now that the electrolysis solution is in the machine, I'm going to show you how to get the pH 2.5 strong acidic water. So first we switch the machine on.
Powering on. Clean water.
Then we press the strong acidic button.
Strong acidic water.
Okay, so now what's going to happen is when I turn on the water supply, and now I've got it plumbed in, the water is going to be split two ways. As you know, the pH scale is a 14-point scale, and you can probably see now at the bottom of the screen. So you've got the acidic on the left hand side all the way to 14 on the right hand side, which is high alkaline. 7 in the middle is neutral. Okay, so now that we've requested the 2.5 strong acidic water, what will come out of here will be the difference between the 14 and the 2.5. So if you do the maths, 14 take away 2.5 is 11.5. So we expect 11.5 pH water to come out the top, and out of the bottom nozzle we get our strong acidic water at pH 2.5. So here we go, switching on the water
Strong
supply.
acidic water.
Okay, so if you can hear me beyond the splashes, so down here now I'm getting the 2.5 strong acidic water. Now this water is great for sanitizing. It's great for sanitizing, so you can sanitize your hands. No need for harmful abrasive hand gels, which many people are using these days. It's also a natural moisturizer, so it's great for the skin. If you've got skin issues such as psoriasis or just dry skin, flaky skin, this stuff is great. You can put it on all over. It's totally safe. Even though it's strong acidic, it is actually safe to use on the skin. Now that the machine is fitted, I'm going to show you how it works. Inside this part of the machine here is a high-grade carbon filter. This takes all the nasties out of the water, so things like fluoride, chlorine, which is bleach, heavy metals, things like that. Things that you don't want in your tap water, things that you don't want to be drinking and mixing with your food. This thing takes them all out. After the water goes through the high-grade carbon filter, it goes through this part of the machine which contains 7 platinum titanium plates. These are what split the water into two to get your Kangen water. And press on the power.
Kangen water, 8.5.
Okay, and you can select different stages of Kangen water.
9.5.
So I'm going to switch the tap on. At the moment it's in tap mode. So if I turn this handle, we can also have shower. So you can use the sink just like normal, but you've got a shower as well option. And now I'm going to switch it on to ionizer.
9.5.
And now the water is going through the machine, and now we've got Kangen water coming out of this tap. And the difference between the 14 is coming out of the acidic water tap pipe here. So we've opened the box, we've connected the machine, and I've explained how the machine works. Now we're going to test the water. So I've got 3 glasses here. I'm going to put some tap water in this tap. So there's an example of tap water. I'm going to switch on the machine, it's already on, and I'm going to divert the water to the ionizer.
9.5.
Now, so the tap water is now going into the machine. It's been filtered, it's been ionized, and I'm going to put some Kangen water in this cup. And if you zoom in down here, this is the acidic water. Okay. Right, so we've got tap water, we've got Kangen alkaline water, and we've got acidic water. Now I'm going to add some pH drops. Okay, I'm going to use the pH chart, and you can see what we've got here. So this is the acidic water, as you can see, it's yellowy orange. This is the Kangen water, which is bluey purple, and this is the tap water, which is neutral. Now, on the whole, that might sound really good, that the tap water is neutral, but the problem is, because of acidic water, acidic rain, or acid rain, the water that generally comes through the pipes or falls down from the sky into our reservoirs does tend to be acidic. So what the water companies do is add a chemical called lye to the water to make it neutral so it doesn't corrode the pipes. So unfortunately in the tap water, not only have you got chlorine, fluoride and all these other nasty heavy metals and hormones and things, but you've also got chemicals that they add to make the water neutral. So look at this. This is what you should be drinking. Alkaline water to alkalize your body. And this is acidic water, which you can use for disinfecting and sanitizing work surfaces and hands. Here, this is a little Venus flytrap I got off my friend Sajid Khalid. Now, Sajid's a great guy. He used to own a flower shop in BD3, but he's still got the green fingers, and I often get my plants off him. This is one I got lately, and you know, with any florist they always give you advice, don't they, how to look after your plants, and Sajid does the same thing. And you know, I was quite shocked, to be honest with you, about what he said about this. He said, whatever you do, don't give it tap water. And I thought, well, we give everything tap water, don't we? But he said, no, don't give it tap water. If you want to you know, feed it with water, then just pop it out in the rain shower and let it just get some natural rain. So that made me think that why not tap water? Probably all the chemicals.